How to hide screenshots on iPhone. So if you take some screenshots that are personal to you and now you want to hide the screenshot on your iPhone, run latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to hide screenshots on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then on the Photos app, you're going to see all your screenshots like this. Now to hide all the screenshots, all you just need to do is locate the up and down arrow, click on it. Then once you click on that, you're going to have access to sort by recently added, sort by date captured, filter the screenshot, or view options. So go ahead and click on view options. Now once you selected view options, locate show and then disable screenshots if it is enabled underneath it. The moment to disable screenshot, then your screenshot on the library will be disabled. You see that? Then if you click on it again, then the screenshot will pop. So to hide the screenshot, just uncheck screenshot under view options where you see show, and then you're good to go. Also, if you scroll down the screenshots page on your media, then you come to media type. Here, you're going to see screenshots. So this is still the screenshot. Now, let's see if you can hide the screenshot. Scroll down the page, click on customize and reorder. Now, under customize and reorder, you can just go ahead and hide your media type. Then exit. Now, you should see the media type hidden and then your screenshot will also disappear. So that is basically how to hide screenshots on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.